BlackRock.
BlackRock announcing its...
Today, we're pulling back the curtain on one of the most powerful financial institutions in the world. It's not a bank, nor a government, but it controls trillions of dollars in assets, more than the GDP of many countries. We're talking about BlackRock, a name that might not be familiar to everyone, but its influence reaches into almost every corner of the global economy. From Wall Street to Main Street, BlackRock holds the keys to enormous wealth and has the power to shape policies, markets, and even entire industries. So, what exactly is BlackRock, and how does it control so much? Buckle up as we uncover the secrets of the empire that's quietly influencing the world. What is BlackRock? To understand BlackRock's incredible power, we need to start with the basics. What is BlackRock? Founded in 1988 by Larry Fink and a small group of partners, BlackRock began as a modest investment management firm. However, it didn't take long for BlackRock to transform into a global behemoth. Today, it's the world's largest asset manager, overseeing a staggering $10 trillion in assets. Yes, you heard that right, trillion. But BlackRock isn't just a company that manages money. It plays a far more significant role in shaping the financial ecosystem. BlackRock invests on behalf of governments, pensions, corporations, and individual investors. Whether you're aware of it or not, there's a good chance BlackRock is managing some of your money right now, whether through your 400 and on pension fund or an index fund. BlackRock's influence goes beyond traditional investments. It owns or has stakes in thousands of companies across virtually every industry, from tech giants like Apple and Google to energy firms like ExxonMobil. And with that kind of reach, BlackRock's decisions can sway markets and even influence corporate strategies. The power of BlackRock's technology. One of the most crucial elements behind BlackRock's success is its cutting-edge technology. In fact, BlackRock doesn't just manage money, it manages data. The crown jewel of BlackRock's operation is a proprietary technology platform known as Aladdin. No, it's not a magic lamp, but for the financial world, it might as well be. Aladdin, which stands for Asset, Liability, Debt, and Derivative Investment Network, is a supercomputer that monitors and analyzes the risk of trillions of dollars worth of assets across global markets. It provides real-time data on investments and uses advanced algorithms to guide decision-making processes. With Aladdin's data and insights, BlackRock can predict financial risks, identify opportunities, and adjust strategies for clients faster than almost any other firm. But here's where things get really interesting. Aladdin isn't just used by BlackRock, it's also sold to other financial institutions. This means that Aladdin powers not only BlackRock's decisions, but also the decisions of hundreds of other investment firms, banks, and governments around the world. In many ways, Aladdin is the backbone of the global financial system. Through this technology, BlackRock isn't just a player in the market, it's the architect of it. BlackRock's influence on governments and policy. BlackRock's reach extends far beyond Wall Street. It also has deep connections with governments around the world. During times of financial crisis, BlackRock is often called upon to help stabilize markets. For example, during the 2008 financial crisis,
traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything.
More recently, in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, BlackRock was once again tapped by the Federal Reserve to manage its bond buying programs, playing a critical role in stabilizing the US economy. But with this level of influence comes controversy. Critics argue that BlackRock's ties to governments create conflicts of interest. After all, how can a private company that manages trillions in assets and has investments in nearly every major corporation maintain objectivity? In Europe, BlackRock's influence has been felt in the form of lobbying efforts that some claim have shaped environmental and corporate governance policies. BlackRock's strong position on environmental, social, and governance (ESG) investing has also raised questions about whether it's using its clout to push political and social agendas. The line between private and public power becomes blurry when a company like BlackRock has the ear of governments and central banks. ESG and BlackRock's shift in corporate power. In recent years, BlackRock has become a key advocate for ESG, environmental, social, and governance investing. ESG represents a shift in how companies are evaluated, focusing not only on their financial performance, but also on their social and environmental impact. In his annual letters to CEOs, Larry Fink has emphasized that climate risk is investment risk and that businesses must adapt to stay relevant in the future. BlackRock can influence the way entire industries operate. And because of its immense size and market influence, its actions have ripple effects across the globe. On one hand, BlackRock is pushing companies to be more ethical and sustainable, which many see as a good thing. But on the other hand, critics claim that BlackRock is using its ESG policies as a way to consolidate power, effectively telling companies how to run their businesses in exchange for continued investment. BlackRock's criticisms and controversies. With great power comes great scrutiny, and BlackRock is no exception. Despite its success, the company has faced numerous criticisms over the years. One major issue is BlackRock's sheer size. As the largest asset manager in the world, BlackRock has a hand in almost every major company and industry, which leads to concerns about market concentration. When one company owns large chunks of thousands of businesses, it raises fears about monopolistic tendencies and the potential for anti-competitive behavior. In recent years, the firm has been buying up residential properties in the US, leading some to accuse it of driving up housing prices and making it harder for everyday people to afford homes. This practice has sparked outrage, particularly in the context of the growing housing affordability crisis. And then there's the issue of revolving doors. Several former BlackRock executives have gone on to hold key positions in government, including at the US Treasury and Federal Reserve. What does the future hold for BlackRock? As we look to the future, it's clear that BlackRock's influence is only set to grow. With the continued rise of passive investing, more and more money is flowing into BlackRock's hands through its popular iShares exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These funds track indexes like the S&P 500, meaning that as more people invest in index funds, BlackRock gains greater control over the companies within those indexes. And that's the story of BlackRock, the secret empire controlling global wealth. From its massive influence in the financial markets to its growing role in public policy, BlackRock is shaping the future in ways that most of us don't even realize. What do you think? Is BlackRock a necessary force in stabilizing the global economy, or does it hold too much power? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more deep dives into the world's biggest players. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.